Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're real estate, having the right software can make all the difference. In 2025, two platforms stands out. So RayReply and Pebble. But which one is the best for your business? Let's find out. First, let's introduce the contenders. RayReply is a marketing and communication tool built for real estate investors focusing on automation and lead generation. Pebble, on the other hand, is designed for land investors, providing workflow automation, CRM, and property management features. Now let's compare the key features. CRM and lead management. RayReply offers all-in-one CRM with automated follow-ups and SMS campaigns. Pebble is more focused on managing land deals with a streamlined property pipeline. RayReply excels in automation, including SMS, RVM, and email sequences. And Pebble provides automation, but it's more tailored to land investment workflows. Let's talk about user experience. RayReply has a powerful but complex interface, while Pebble is more intuitive and structured for land investors. RayReply integrates well with various marketing tools, while Pebble focuses on direct integrations with land-related services. When we are talking about pricing, RayReply is subscription-based and affordable for real estate investors. Pebble has a higher price tag but built specifically for land investing professionals. Which one is right for you? Let's check that out. Choose RayReply if you are a real estate investor looking for an all-in-one marketing and automation platform. And you can choose Pebble if you specialize in land investing and need a tool designed specifically for managing property. Both RayReply and Pebble offer powerful tools, but the best choice depends on your real estate niche. So which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech insights. See you in the next video.